Hello everyone, hello crafters, again welcome. Today we are showing you amazing and beautiful relaxation craft of felt craft. In this video we will explore holiday felt craft in cozy and joyful way to create handmade decorations while returning your inner peace. Whether you are creating a crisp X-Mex ornaments, a felt wreath, or a cute holiday gnome, each piece carries love, mindfulness as positive energy. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin this mindful holiday crafting journey together. Felt crafting is more than just decoration, it's an art of connection. Each stitch, each cut, shapes gives you chance to slow down and enjoy the moment. Felt is soft, colorful, and easy shape, perfect for making ornaments, garlands, and wall decor. The benefits: it reduces stress and anxiety, it improves focus and patience, it boosts creativity and problem solving. When you work with your hands, your mind naturally relaxes, you enter a peaceful meditative state where all worries fade and creativity blooms. Holiday craft is an excellent mindfulness practice as you cut fabric, glue details, or sew tiny pieces together. You stay fully present in the process. You focus on the textures, colors, and the feeling of creation. This practice calms your thoughts, brings joy, and helps you reconnect with yourself. You can even make it a family activity. Crafting together strengthens bonds and brings laughter, especially during holiday. So the next time you pick up your felt and trust, don't rush. Enjoy every touch, every fold. That's mindfulness in motion. Crafting for mental wellness. Let's talk about the CARES activity, a mindful crafting approach that stands for let crafting relax your nervous system. Stay aware of colors, textures, and shapes. Feel your breathing slow as you create. Use felt to express your emotions and imagination. Satisfaction. Enjoy the happiness of completing your creation. This activity is healthy for the mind. It improves concentration, reduces overthinking, and helps balance emotion, especially during stressful holiday times. If you love felt crafts, you can also turn your passion into a small business. Here's how. Start by making unique theme design like X-Mex ornaments, table decor, or felt garlands. Take beautiful pictures in natural light. Sale on platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or local craft fairs. Offer personalization like names or dates stitched on felt. Promote with short craft videos and mindful message. People love buying handmade things with heart. Your story and positive energy make your products specially. Promote with short craft videos and mindful message. People love buying handmade things with heart. Your story and positive energy make your products special. As you finish your felt craft, take a moment to admire your work. Feel gratitude for your hands, your creativity, and the calmness it brings. Felt crafting isn't just about making something beautiful, it's about creating moments of peace, love, and conditions. So keep crafting, keep creating, and let your heart art fill the world with warmth this holiday. Thank you for watching, and remember, creativity is self-care. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs, more ideas and more creativity. So in this video we have explored some beautiful felt creation can bring calmness, mindfulness, happiness, while also offering ideas for turning your creativity into a small business opportunity. Take a slow breath in and out. Let go of stress. This is your creative time, your time to relax, enjoy, and express your inner artist. Felt is soft, flexible, and vibrant, a perfect material for cozy holiday decoration. You can create ornaments, trees, gnomes, garlands, stocking, or small Santa hats, all from simple felt sheet and threads. Each piece you make is unique, just like your own energy. Felt crafting gives you a chance to slow down, breathe, and focus on small details, which helps clear your mind from daily worries. Improves hand coordination and focuses, reduces stress and anxiety, enhance patience and creative thinking, boost happiness through achievement when your hands move gently and your mind begins to relax. This is why crafting is sometimes called art therapy. Mindfulness, being fully present in what you are doing. When you cut, stitch, or glue, notice the color of the felt, the sound of scissor, and the texture benefits beneath your fingers. Each movement brings you closer to calmness. Even if you make a small mistake, smile is part of your creative journey. Mindfulness teaches you to accept imperfections and celebrate progress. You can also share this activity with children or family members. Let them do what they want to do. Crafting together builds beautiful moments, laughter, connection, and joy. It's a wonderful holiday ritual to replace screen time with real creative connection. Let's talk about the cares activity, a mindful method that turns creativity into emotional healing. As you begin crafting, breathe slowly. Let each step relax your nerve. The softness of felt and the colors bring comfort to the soul. Notice every detail, how your scissors cut smoothly, how colors blend. Awareness keep your mind focused and peaceful. Crafting lowers stress hormones and helps release physical tension. Your brain shifts into a gentle rhythm, calm, steady, creative. Through color and shape, you express emotions that words can't describe. A red heart can express a green tree can represent growth. When your piece is complete, feel the joy of achievement. It's not just art, it's a moment of self love accomplishment. This cycle, the calmness to satisfaction, is a natural mental therapy you create through art. Our mind and hands deeply connected. When your hands created something with love, your brain releases serotonin, the happy chemical. That's why after crafting you feel lighter, more positive and proud. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, be a part of this.